Teknologi for the Earth by Nurul Hidayati. Old people say old will end in ice. Teenagers say it will end in fire. Why do they think so? Some say old will cover with snow. Others say it will full bunch of sorrow. Why do they think so? Trees kneel to the ground. Wind blows without sound. Water splashes out from the pond. Come. Oh, nature, will you leave me alone? Will you abandon me with no tone? Greediness has taken all away, leaving regret in another day. Ask not what nature tells about farewell. Ask not what the wind talks without leaving word. Birds are not singing anymore, they are crying. Trees are not growing anymore, they are murmuring. Little child asked to the teller, why does everything like summer? Old Papa say, our earth is in danger.